Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of smart driving as your car becomes as intelligent as your phone. With Amazon's Alexa teaming up with Apple CarPlay and the introduction of Echo Auto, your time on the road is about to get cooler and safer. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to make your car a smart, hands-free zone, connecting Alexa with Apple CarPlay and maximizing your driving experience. Transform your car into a smart, hands-free zone by integrating Amazon's Alexa with Apple CarPlay and adding Echo Auto. Enjoy a safer and more convenient driving experience with features like hands-free calling, smart home control, voice search, and seamless music streaming. How to integrate Alexa with Apple CarPlay. Step 1. Install Amazon Alexa app. Ensure the Amazon Alexa app is installed on your iPhone. Sign in, grant permissions, and proceed to the next step. Step 2. Enable Alexa CarPlay. Add on in the Alexa app. Go to Settings and Alexa Preferences. Activate the CarPlay add-on to integrate Alexa with your CarPlay system. Step 3. Connect iPhone to CarPlay. Connect your iPhone to your CarPlay-compatible vehicle. CarPlay will launch automatically on your car's display. Step 4. Activate Alexa Spot, the Amazon Alexa icon on the CarPlay home screen. Tap it to open the voice assistant and enjoy a seamless experience. Step 5. Start using Alexa Make calls, control smart home devices, play music, and access information without taking your hands off the wheel. How to get Alexa in your car with Echo Auto. Step 1. Ensure Echo Auto is fully charged. Charge Echo Auto fully for an enhanced in-car experience. Step 2. Download Alexa app. If you don't have the Alexa app, download it, sign in, or create an account. Step 3. Set up Echo Auto Connect. Echo Auto to your car's audio system using the provided cable or Bluetooth. Place it securely for optimal microphone reception. Step 4. Connect to smartphone. Open the Alexa app, select Add Device, and follow instructions to connect Echo Auto to your phone via Bluetooth. Step 5. Configure Preferences Access Echo Auto settings in the Alexa app. Set your preferred wake word and customize other settings. Step 6. Start using Alexa in your car. With Echo Auto set up, enjoy a voice-controlled experience for music, news, smart home control, and more while staying focused on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with Alexa and Apple CarPlay and add a revolutionary touch with Echo Auto. Stay tuned for more tech tips from CarPlayHacks for a smarter, safer drive.
Thank you for watching CarPlay Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials for more exciting tech content.